An election promises or campaign promise is a promise or guarantee made to the public by a candidate or a political parties that is trying to win an election. Welcome to the Karbi Anglong. It's me Digit Ronghong and you're watching English news in NN Varta Karbi Anglong Northeast. Whether it's a BJP or it's a Congress, election promises goes on. Update on Assam Assembly Election 2021. The list of candidates of the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP-led alliance comprising of Assam Gana Parishad AGP and United People's Party Liberal UPLL is likely to be released by March 5, that's today. Congress promises free electricity up to 200 units in Assam if voted to power. All India Congress Committee AICC General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra blowing to the poll bugle for the Assam Legislative Assembly election in favor of the Congress LED Mahjod promised free electricity up to 200 units if voted to power. Priyanka Gandhi said that the Congress regime if voted to power will work on 5 agendas and guarantees it to be fulfilled. I'm gonna tell you the agendas that Congress promised. Number 1. Congress will implement a law by which the controversial Citizenship Amendment Act will not apply in Assam. Number 2. Will provide the free electricity of up to 200 units per month to each and every household in Assam, which means the people of Assam will be able to save at least rupees 1400 every month. Thirdly, to honor the women of Assam who religiously takes care of the entire family along with the well-being of their children, Congress will provide rupees 2000 every month to all the women in Assam. Number 4. After interacting with the women of T tribe community and looking at their health condition, Congress has decided to increase the daily wage to rupees 365. Number 5. If Congress comes to power, at least 5 lakhs of government jobs will come up, which is again based on detailed research on the current economic condition of Assam. Earlier in January, Assam Pradesh Congress Committee APCC President Ripun Bora made the announcements during interactions with the media persons in Guwahati said, if Congress comes to power in Assam, there will be an employee in house in a family where there is no one who is engaged either in government to or provide services will have a job. But that's all for now. Updates on Assam Assembly Election 2021. And you're watching English News on NN Varta Karbi Anglong Northeast. See you soon.